Hey everyone, welcome to orientation video number 1. We are going to go through the course syllabus together in the next few videos. So I've already introduced myself on the home page of our course. My name is Mrs. Gardner Mendez. Mendez is my married name, mother of 2, plus I have my 2 bonus boys with my husband. So 4 boys total, all in their 20s, and 4 dogs. Man, am I blessed. Live in Madera, California, but I teach full-time history and political science for the Los Banos campus. So you are taking my Intro to American Government course. That is a 9-week quick-paced course. Starts on the 17th of October. No requirement to come to class. It's completely online. And there are a myriad of ways to contact me. You guys have my cell phone number. You can call me. You can text me. Make sure you include your name in the course that you're asking about. You can also email me, Canvas message me. So lots of different ways to get in contact. If I don't get back to you within 24 hours, chances are for some reason your message didn't go through. So check the phone number you texted to, check the email address, so on and so forth. Occasionally, I do go out of cell service range on weekends for hikes. If I do that, I try to remember to let you folks know. I have Zoom and face-to-face office hours. Face-to-face on Tuesday at the LB campus from 11 to 12:45. Wednesday, Zoom only from 4 to 5. If these hours do not work for you, not a problem. Give me a ring, send me a message, and we can work something out. All right. Course description, I'll let you read through it on your own. It's just a basic American government course going through the different structure of government at the federal and state level, the basic constitution principles, the relationship between states and federal governments, your civil rights and civil liberties, issues related to the civil rights movement and equality, right? So just kind of basics. By the end of the course, you should be able to do these 3 things. Number 1, describe the founding principles, development, and basic features of the U.S. Constitution. Hey, did you just hear that? That was a dog in the background. Miss Nala. 2, evaluate the major powers and processes of the national and state political institutions, including the executive, judicial, and legislative branches. And I say branches because you've got at the state and in the federal level. Analyze the relationship among federal, state, and local governments. And I would love to go into local government in a lot more detail. Unfortunately, we just don't have enough time in this class. But if you ever move on and take other political science courses, local government's kind of an interesting one. Required course material. So you may or may not be opted in to our textbook program at Merced College. If you did, then you are getting the e-book version of the book, and you will have a link to that in our Canvas modules. If you opted out, then you need to purchase the book, and you do need it. You can purchase a slightly older edition. I don't care if you rent it, buy it, e-book, hard copy, doesn't matter to me, but you do need to cite it, you do need to read it, you will be tested on it. I have seen it as cheap as like $35 or so online, right? So 2 options. You can go through the book program with Merced College and pay for it through your student fees, in which they just charge you a per unit price, right? Or you can go opt out of that and then go purchase your books on your own. I don't care which one you do. Totally up to you. Do whatever financially makes sense, okay? Okay, the next video will go over course recommendations and expectations. So scan through the first part of the syllabus, then at the bottom of this page, click next and go on to the next video.